Today's food review.
We're back, baby. We're back with another food review. It's been a while. This is my
Backwards
first solo review. Today, we got some Chili's leftovers, bacon guac, chicken sandwich with some fries. I microwaved it, threw some ranch in the fucking cardboard. Let's do this. We're gonna start off. I took like 5 bites out of the end and I got full, so you know how that shit goes. Let's do this. Very good. That shit's good.
Yep.
I'm going in for another bite. Very good. Grilled chicken. Perfect mix of the 3 flavors, the chicken, the bacon, and the guac. I love guac. I love all 3 of those things, so. Can't go wrong. Dipped in the ranch. Let's do this shit. This shit's good, man. I never was a Chili's guy.
Yeah,
It's
okay,
better
buddy.
than, I expected. Next up, yes, these fries because they're leftover, dipped in the ranch. Let's go. Great taste. Obviously, they don't have the crisp at the restaurant. They did have that crisp. Overall, I give the sandwich 8 out of 10. Very solid score. Fries, I've had better. I've had way worse. 6.5 out of 10. Good.